Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up your environment for Angular development using Angular CLI. Step 1, we need to install Nodejs and NPM package manager. So go to the Google and type Nodejs download. So you will get the Node.js official website link. So here there are different platform supported distribution, you will get it here. So my machine is 64-bit. So I'm going to download Windows 64-bit. So according to your operating system platform, please download Node.js. So once download Node.js, just double click, next, accept the license, next. So this is a default Node.js location installation directory. Keep as it is, next. So Node package manager also available in the same installation. So you don't want to change anything, just click next. Okay, click next, install. Node.js has been successfully installed. Once you completed this installation step, go to command prompt and confirm your installation. Node-v for Node.js, npm-v for Node package manager. Okay, we completed step 1. Then we are going to do step 2, install TypeScript. So go to TypeScript official website, TypeScript lang. Okay, this is the official website for TypeScript because Angular is TypeScript based. So we download TypeScript. So once you click this button, you will get this page. So this is the npm command for installed TypeScript. Copy and go back to type here. So it's updated one packages because already I installed the TypeScript. So I just updated. For new installation, it will take some time. So after install TypeScript, type tsc-v, tsc TypeScript compiler space -v. So once executed this command, you are getting the TypeScript version. So TypeScript also we successfully completed. Then final steps, install Angular CLI. Go back to Angular official documentation. So this is the command npm install Angular CLI. So copy this command, go back to command prompt and type here. Okay, once Angular CLI is successfully installed, for confirmation ng-v. So once type ng-v, you will get all the Angular commands here. So Angular CLI successfully installed. So install Node.js npm, type node-v and npm-v. Then TypeScript installation completed, then confirmation is tsc-v. Install Angular CLI eng-v. So these 4 commands, you make sure you successfully completed 3 steps. Then finally we are going to create Angular project using Angular CLI. So this is the command ng-new is a command to create the Angular project. My app is a project name. So ng-new is a command I'm going to use to create the Angular project. So I've just create one Angular project. So this is the directory. I'm going to just I enter the new directory, then ng new. So how to create Angular project? So after completed all the three steps, we are going to create Angular project. Go to Angular official documentation. Okay, here the create the workspace and initial application. So this is the command to create new project ng new. So I'm go back to my command prompt. So already I created Angular directory. Okay, here I'm going to generate new project ng new my web. So you are beginner, you're not aware about what is Angular routing, you can put no. If you already aware about routing, okay, you can put yes. So I'm here, the beginner level, you can put no. Then the style sheet different types is available. So beginner level choose CSS. The packages are installed successfully. The finally, we are going to build and run the Angular application for testing. So go to inside the project, my web. Then ng serve is the command to build and run the application. So compilation once successfully happened. So you can see that the localhost to 4200 is a server URL. So just to copy this URL and go to browser and type. So finally you got this window. So project completely successfully happened. That's why this in case any error you won't get any web application page here. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. So for more videos please subscribe our channel. Okay, for one-to-one live training please visit our coursetrack.in website. Thank you guys.